If you're wondering what a bridge song section is and want it in easy terms that's going to be quick to understand, this is the video for you. So the most basic way to understand a bridge is almost always it is the only song section that both doesn't repeat musically or lyrically. Choruses tend to repeat musically and lyrically, verses tend to repeat musically but not lyrically. The bridge is the only song section that you only hear the music once and you only hear those lyrics once. Another way to think about it is it's the other song section, or the X Factor song section. If you think of verses and choruses like A, B, that's just the flow of the song. The bridge is that C section. A, B, C. That would be the bridge. And just as a note, the bridge is a great opportunity to really change things up in your song. So if you're writing a song and you're looking for a spot to do something crazy with keys or borrowed chords or whatever, bridge is usually the place you want to do it. So hopefully you found this helpful. If you did, you'll definitely find my ultimate song section cheat sheet helpful. It breaks down every single song section in simple terms, just like we did in this video, but also gives you a bunch of songs you've heard before with timestamps breaking down exactly when in the song the verse starts, and when the pre-chorus starts, and the chorus, and the post-chorus if there is one, and when the bridge starts, so that you can learn to hear these song sections and immediately recognize them. If that seems like something that'd be helpful to you, be sure to check it out. My free gift to you, link in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. Talk to you in the next one.